Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel, and again we are coming to here catching fish, and people are catching fish at this river, and the water is very clear and crystal, and the level of water is very high, and boys are catching small fish, lobster and eel fish. Wow. And this water is coming from the Bhutan, and boys are really expert to catch fish, and they are really know how to catch fish and lobsters and different type of fishes, and lobster, eel fish, and any kind of fishes they know, and they really expert to catching fish. Nah, montena monakhai? Monakhai daबो? Wow, he is a very expert. They are looking for fish, but still they are not getting any kind of fishes. Wow. The water is very clear and weather is very quiet and pleasant at this moment, and the boys are catching fish beside this river, and they are catch up big fish from this river, and some are playing and swimming at this river, and they're really enjoying to catching fish at this river, and water is not so much clear, and they are catching fish, and he is one of the best boy, and he is know how to catch fish.